Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2017 Chevrolet Equinox. This vehicle is featured in black metallic paint with chrome alloy rims, rear privacy tint, heated seats, sunroof, and navigation, as well as a backup camera. Moving on to the interior, we have our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, Pioneer speaker, and storage. Side of the front seat, we have our power seat adjustment and lumbar support controls. Off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our interior dimmer switch. We have our gauge cluster. Controls in the steering wheel for cruise control as well as radio. You can see the front seats are featured in black fabric with mesh pattern and red stitching. On the inside here, we can see our navigation and radio controls, climate controls and heated seat option, then charging outlet, our gear selection stalk, 2 cup holders and padded center console lid. Overhead we have our OnStar controls on the mirror, dome lights and dome light settings, and our sunroof and moonroof. Now back onto the exterior, we can take a closer look at our chrome alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps. We have paint matched mirror caps and door handles, rear privacy tint, and then around to the back of the vehicle we have our Equinox all-wheel drive and LT badging featured in chrome, dual exhaust, liftgate, and inside we have plenty of storage room as well as a charging outlet and speaker. Now onto the rear interior, we have our chrome door handle, window switch, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have mesh magazine holders, and back of the center console area we have a charging outlet. The rear seats are a 60-40 split with fold down center seat featuring 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2017 Chevrolet Equinox. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.